Hey YouTubers, Rennie here doing another DIY. This time it's on a Bolens by MTD 21-inch cutting push mower. Said mower. See, I've got the wheels off. My problem here is that I have this this guy right here. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to move with this guy, with your adjuster, and it doesn't. It freewheels it. This happened because, you know, this discharge right here, I hate it. So it doesn't have a side discharge you can put on it. So I've just kind of propped it up. Well, it still doesn't clear, so I have to, you know, essentially while I'm cutting, bang the front end of the motor, kind of like bounce the front end like that to clear the grass that's piled up in there, or it bogs down and dies. So couldn't find a YouTube video on it, which is why I'm making this. So what's happened is that, I don't know, however they make this where it's supposed to stay fixed, it's not. It's broken. So I went and bought me a new axle. I'll you know, you can look up the diagram, just put in your model number of your mower, and push mower, it's right there. Okay, so just look anywhere on the mower, you'll see a sticker. And the original part was replaced with this part. It's, I don't know, 611474, whatever, Bravo. And so it came in, I ordered it, came in, it was like $22. Came in pretty quick from my local power equipment place. And it's pretty simple to change out. So all you need is a ratchet and socket. This one is a 15 millimeter, and you'll need a pair of channel locks. Any channel locks will do, but trying to figure out, see, you have right there, it's an interference fit. So once you push the axle into place, these little interference clips you know, snapping into place. Well, all you got to do is pinch them with a pair of channel locks and put pressure down on each side. Let me see if I can, I'm going to place this on the ground, and I guess you might be able to see how I do it. I don't know, maybe. Well, anyway, here, let's try this. So I just take the channel locks and get up there, and I just pinch, and then I push down on the axle. All right, and that gives it enough pressure to keep that little key in place. So then I'll just come around to the other side and do the same thing, just like that, and then the whole thing will pop out. And I'll show you live action how to do it. You might not be able to see it that well, but for time's sake, this is all real time. So again, just crimp it, push down, and crimp it, push down. There, it's free. And this is the first time I'm doing this. So crimp it, push down, crimp it, push down, and then you gotta make sure you get that lever pushed away from it, this guy, that lets you change your height selection, and it falls out just like that. After that, you just really just snap the other axle in place. You have to, see, I've already got the wheels put on this one. It is easier without the wheels put on, but I've already done this once before shooting this video. So, but the problem I had with this axle is that the lever selector, or the height selector lever right there, it wasn't making good contact with the height selection keys here. So I just kind of, you know, pushed it in, just, you know, did that, and you know, it fit well. And that's it. I mean, I didn't find another YouTube video that showed you how to change a front axle out on a push mower, but hopefully this helps. I did forget one thing. Make sure you get some axle grease to put on before you put on the bearing race for your wheels to ride on. That way it doesn't wear down that bearing inside that wheel and creates a cushion. So, you know, right before you put your wheels on, make sure you do not get it on the threads, because then your nut won't stay on. But just take you a glove with a little bit of axle grease on there. You can get it at any auto parts house, and put you a little dab on there, smear it around, put your wheels on, tighten it down with the nut, and you're done. And that's it for today. But just remember, whether you walk to the left or to the right, you will hear a voice behind you saying, "This is the way, walk in it." That's Isaiah 30:21. Hope y'all guys have a great day.